Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, December 18th, 2023. Let's find out what do we have in the Forex calendar for today. German expectations, German current assessment and German business climate, all of this IFO sentiment data scheduled for release at 10 o'clock, and those are one of the most important events of today. As you can see, we are looking for slight improvement everywhere. However, the outcome of this data will be very important for the next movement of the euro, and we are going to take a look at the euro dollar today for sure. 11 o'clock, 11:30, Bank of England MPC member Broadbent will give a speech. Then at 2:30 we got the new housing price index from Canada, and the same time we got the speech from the ECB Schnabel, and then at 4 o'clock from the ECB Lane. At the end of the day, 11:45 in the night, we got the trade balance data from the New Zealand. As you can see, there is no very important data for today. The medium important data are mostly from the Germany, and then eventually remarks from the Eurozone officials, and one more remark from the Bank of England members. So we are definitely going to take a look at the euro dollar first to see what is going on there. So, for our chart of the euro dollar is showing us a potential for the double top. Of course, this second top was made a little bit lower than the previous one, so it located at the level of 1.1010, and that's a nice level. Nevertheless, it still looks like some sort of the double top. However, if you look on this on the other hand, if you zoom out, you can see that this pattern here, okay, might be very, very simple to this one, which is, there you go, this is a cup, this is double cup and a handle, and up we go, and maybe a cup and a handle, anyone? Cup and a handle, anyone? Maybe, just maybe. So it's not actually like a double top only, and it can be a cup and a handle pattern as well, and especially because cup and a handle pattern on a 4-hour chart is a continuing pattern. What the market should continue? The uptrend. Alright, so please be very careful with assessing the current situation, because if we get, let me just play with my chart, there you go, if we get a little bit closer towards 1.10 and above, then we have a handle, and if we keep fooling around this number and then there is a breakout, it was definitely cup and a handle. So this double top pattern is obviously invalidated, and most of the traders will have to join the trend again and join the breakout again, which is breakout is to the upside and trend is the uptrend. Okay, so this breakout to the upside might get very dynamic and very aggressive. Please be careful if the market will go higher and do the potential cup and a handle pattern. All right, let me just give some there is my label. Where's my label? I've marked my label somewhere. Okay, never mind the labels. The point is that please be careful. All right, emojis doesn't actually work. Maybe the text, and there you go. It's not a price label, but what I want to do is, let's say text, cup and a handle pattern, potential cup and a handle pattern. This is the situation here we got on the euro dollar. Let me just do some kind of a screenshot, and up we go. Okay, the second market we are supposed to cover is the market of US dollar to the Canadian dollar. And in this market, this is 4-hour chart, you can clearly see that we are moving lower. We are moving lower, we are moving down, but the market conditions are already extremely oversold. So what are we going to do today is we will mark the low, and the low will be marked as the technical support. Now let's just zoom out to see whether this is key support. Actually, as you can see clearly, we've broken below the key support already, because the key support was the lows of the September 2023, 1.3380. Okay, so right now we are below this level and we are heading even lower. So this is definitely some sort of the technical movement to the downside. Let me just find out what are the technical resistance levels here. So one of them is 1.3479. This is the technical resistance. All right, this one, and of course the other one is located slightly above, somewhere around the level of 1.36617. all right, we are trading below the moving average 150 periods, and it doesn't look like there is any sort of the potential reversal to be made. So what it looks like, actually, it looks like just need my arrow, it looks like the market wants to do some sort of the correction to the upside or kind of a pullback, and then the chances are high that the market will reverse again. The maximum level for the retracement is actually around 1.3479 because it looks very solid, and the other reason is that there is at least 50% Fibonacci retracement here. So maximum retracement might be somewhere around this level, and then the downtrend should resume for the US dollar to the Canadian dollar. All right, let me take a look at the crude oil market as well. Why? Because we are following our let's say scenario. This is a 4-hour chart, and as you can see, according to our analysis, we should go up, as the arrow says. It was perfectly clear. We will do it. We got the hammer candle here, so let me just do the quick text. This is the hammer candle. Kind of a hammer. Doesn't actually have the very big body, but you know, it works. Basically it works. This is a pin bar, like a hammer. We go up, we broke above this technical resistance. We made a high at 72.41, then we went down. As you can see, another pin bar is here, and now maximum level that where we should go, the maximum level is around 73.60, 74.10. So we should not expect this market to go a little bit higher. We still got we should not expect the market to break any higher than this. If it does, then of course the outlook is way more bullish than we expect. Okay, blue arrow, and now let me just change this this level to red as well, so we know it's a technical resistance. Okay, and the market is still under the bearish pressure. Nevertheless, the momentum is positive. However, it's not that strong, 58 points only. So it looks like if we will go lower and break below this low here, 70.31, the outlook remains bearish, and there's more downside to be made on the crude oil. And last but not least, let's take a look at the Bitcoin over the weekend. What is Bitcoin doing? It is still trading around the level of 41,000. We got this very nice zone here, but we broke below 41,558. So now it is another technical resistance, intraday technical resistance. And as you can see, the movement to the upside is possible only if the high at 43,515 is violated. So right now momentum is negative. Bears are in control of the market, and as far as I can tell, we can see some sort of the unfortunately bearish trend line here. This trend line, it will be thick. It's short-term trend line, but it will be thick in order for you guys to see that this movement to the downside is being really something, because it looks like we might have another very interesting developments soon. Of course, technical support 40,146, 40,328, and eventually 39,824. Right, so pretty solid technical support. Market bounced a few times from this level. Nevertheless, we don't have any higher high made here, and we are trading below 50 and 100 periods moving average and below short-term trend line resistance. So not that good at all for the Bitcoin. Nevertheless, please keep an eye on the current development to the downside. Thank you very much for analysis. That's everything from me. Thank you very much for watching this, and I hope I will see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.